Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the Gala Model Question Paper solution of Social Science, paper number 4, section B. So we'll see the question answers. 17th one is people of India are environment lover since ancient time. How? Or give information about vegetation as component of India's natural heritage. From the ancient time, people have showered love and affection on flowers, plants, and shrubs. Human beings, animals, and birds are dependent on vegetation for their food. Cereals, pulses, oilseeds, plants, green fields, pastures, forests packed with herbs and medicinal plants have enriched the life of the people from ancient time. Medicinal plants like herde, amla, behada, aloe vera, adusi, and neem have been useful as these made human life healthy. Banyan and peepal trees and basil are worshipped in India. Flowers like rose, lotus, jasmine, sweet basil, sunflower, plumeria, dewy, jasminum have made human life fragrant and beautiful. Thus, economic, social, and religious life of India is greatly influenced by the vegetation. Now, 17th one is discuss landscapes as a component of India's natural heritage. Beautiful landscapes such as Himalaya are formed due to the different shapes of land. Himalaya is endowed with mountain peaks covered with snow, brimming rivers, useful vegetations, and minerals. It has the forests of terai and pilgrimage places like Amarnath, Badrinath, Mansarovar, and Kedarnath. It has mountain peaks like Mount Everest, Mount Godwin, Austin, and Nanda Devi. Himalaya has been a part of natural heritage of India. It has deeply affected community living, way of living, and behavior of people. Since the ancient times, Himalaya has been revered and a sacred place for the people of India. 18th one. Write about Akik work as an Indian art. Akik is a semi precious stone found in the river valleys. Akik is a mix of chalcedonic and silica stones of blue and white color. Carnelian is an Akik stone which is semi transparent and reddish or brown in color. Akik stones are available in Gujarat at Ahmedabad, Ranpur, and Surat. However, Akik work is undertaken by the artisans of Khambat who make ornaments of various designs. They also make rosary, that is mala, and beads, that is manka, from Akik stones. Now, exercise question is write about Ras. Ras is a dance performed in circles along with singing. It is believed that Lord Krishna had shown Ras Leela to his devotee Narsi Mehta. This dance is mostly performed during the Navaratri and Janmashtami festivals in Gujarat. Its one form is Dandiya Ras. Some perform it by placing earthen pot on the head. Has become popular with the spread of the Vaishnav sect. Women wear traditional attire of embroidered chaniya choli, whereas men wear embroidered kedia dhoti while playing Ras. 19th one. On which monument is the memorable statement, pious hearts are welcomed in the garden of paradise inscribed? State its distinct features. The above given statement is inscribed on one of the arches in the central vault which resists the tomb of Begum Mumtaz Mahal. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan had built Taj Mahal on the west banks of the river Yamuna in Agra after the death of his beloved Begum Mumtaz Mahal to immortalize her memory. The construction work of Taj Mahal started in 1631 and was completed in 1653 after 22 years. Shah Jahan had engaged Indian, Iranian, Arab, Turk, and European sculptors for the construction of Taj Mahal. He had incurred expenditure of more than 4.5 crore rupees to build this beautiful maqbara or tomb. The distinct features of Taj Mahal are: white marble from Makrana in Rajasthan was used for its construction and was adorned with precious stones. The main structure is built on a high plinth of marble. The structure is spread in rectangular shape from north to south. The grave of Mumtaz Mahal lies in the center of the structure. It is surrounded by beautiful artistic octagonal fence having beautiful carvings. The entrance to the main structure is adorned with a huge dome and four small domes on the four sides. Owing to its grandeur and artistry, Taj Mahal is regarded as one of the seven wonders of the world. 20th one. Give information about Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri was a new capital city built by the Mughal Emperor Akbar at a distance of 26 km from Agra in the memory of Sufi saint Salim Khisti. The construction work had started in 1569 and most buildings were completed by 1572. The important structures were palaces for his Begum Maryam and Rani Jodhabai and his trusted aide Birbal, Palace of Sultan of Turkey, Jama Masjid and the Buland Darwaza. The other important structures are the tomb of Salim Khisti, Panch Mahal, Diwane Am, Diwane Khas, and Jyotish Mahal. Buland Darwaza is the grand entrance to Fatehpur Sikri. It is 41 meters wide and 50 meters high. It is believed to be the grandest gateway in the world. 21st. India has proved the feeling of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam in the world. Explain this statement. People from all over the world have came to India and made India their home. In the ancient times, the Indo-Aryans, the Greeks, the Kushans and several other foreigners settled down in India. In the medieval age, the Arabs, the Turks and the Mughals made India their home. In the modern times, the British, the French, the Portuguese, and the Dutch invaded India. As a result, India has a fine amalgamation of people belonging to different races, religions, sects, castes, having different cultures and languages. This diversity is a realization of the sentiment of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. 22nd. What is National Park? The areas reserved for the protection of natural vegetation, wildlife, spots of natural beauty, and places of national importance are called national park. In comparison with the sanctuary, this is a protected zone. More than one ecosystem is included here. Grazing the domesticated animals is totally prohibited here. The movements of tourists is restricted here. It is not centered around on any single species. It is established through the coordination of state and central governments. Kaziranga, Corbett, Velavadar, Marine National Park, Gir, Dachigam, etc. are important national parks. Now, or 22nd is what is meant by bioreserve zone. A bioreserve zone is formed according to international norms. Its main purpose is to protect the physical and cultural diversities of any region. Moreover, the vegetation, insects, and animals, land, and the lifestyle of the people living there are also protected. Facilities are provided here for the research and training of biodiversity. There is a complete restriction on the external human activities in a bioreserve zone. The size of such zone generally exceeds 5000 square kilometers. Nilgiri, Gulf of Mannar, Great Nicobar, Sundarban, Pachmarhi, Run of Kutch, etc. are important bioreserve zones of the nation. 23rd, what is multipurpose project? What objectives can be achieved through it? The planning to build large dams across the rivers and to use its water for irrigation, hydroelectricity, flood control, controlling the soil erosion, internal transportation, wildlife protection, development of fishery, entertainment, etc. is called multipurpose project. Major objectives of multipurpose projects are produce hydroelectricity from the dam water and develop agriculture and industries, to supply water to industries and large settlements, take out large canals from the reservoirs and develop internal waterways. Fishing centers should be developed along the reservoirs and fisheries should be established. Provide clean potable water to the cities and villages nearby from the reservoirs. Create beautiful spots for the entertainment of tourists by building gardens near the dams. 24th, how does man have an old and sound relation with mineral resources? Man before 5 lakh years used equipment made out of stone. From that time onwards till today, man has interwoven his life with the minerals. Small pens to giant sized machines and spacecrafts are made out of minerals. Minerals have made unique contribution to the economic and cultural progress of man. Certain stages of human civilization are known as Stone Age, Copper Age, Bronze Age, and Iron Age after the minerals. The present age is also a mineral age. Thus, man and mineral resources have an old and sound relation. Now, our 24th one is state the types of iron and major places where it is available. There are four types of iron ore found in India. First, hematite, second, magnetite, third, limonite, and fourth, siderite. Karnataka state produces maximum iron. Iron is obtained respectively from Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and Andhra Pradesh. Besides, it is also found in the states of Goa, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, etc. 26. What are the challenges against the cotton textile industry of India? The challenges against the cotton textile industry of India are scarcity of high quality cotton, use of worn out and obsolete machinery, irregular supply of electric power, less skilled laborers, competition from artificial fiber, and tough competition in international market. Now, our 25th one is where are the sugar and jaggery factories located in India? Why? The factories producing sugar and jaggery are located in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, etc. Sugarcane is heavy in weight and has the tendency to decompose. It starts squeezing after its reaping and the most of sugar decreases, so it should be squeezed within 24 hours after it is reaped. That is why the sugar factories are located near sugarcane producing areas. 26. Why did Pandit families from Jammu and Kashmir migrate from their homeland? The Kashmiri Pandits were the followers of Hindu religion and were a small minority in Kashmir. The local and imported terrorists terrorized the Kashmiri Pandits to save their lives, families, and freedom. The Kashmiri Pandits migrated to other parts of India. And here we come to the end of section B. I hope you have understood the complete section. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.